This stereo zoom microscope provides a smooth magnification range from low to high power, making it easy to move from general inspection to close detail work without changing lenses. The optics deliver bright, sharp, and impressively wide stereo images, which is especially helpful when examining gemstones, circuit boards, or fine engravings. Its binocular head is angled for natural viewing and offers generous eye relief, so long sessions remain comfortable even for people who wear glasses. The single-arm boom stand feels very solid and allows the head to swing and rotate freely, giving excellent reach over large or awkwardly shaped objects. A long working distance between the objective and the subject leaves plenty of space for tools and hands, which is ideal for soldering, repair, and precision assembly tasks. Overall, the microscope's sturdy construction, smooth controls, and versatile zoom range make it a dependable choice for both professional laboratories and serious hobby benches.